everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to change language and currency on Stockx. So let's get into the video. So open up Stockx. So go to their website, and once you're on their homepage or once you're on their site here, so what you're going to do, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Just scroll all the way down. So once you scroll all the way down, you'll see this option here with your country, your language and your current currency. So simply click on it. And that will open up this pop-up box here with the settings. So all you have to do now is simply change the language. So if you want to change language, simply select on the language option here and then select whatever you will see all the available languages here. So just select whatever the language that you wish to change it to. So just simply select that, and then here under currency, if you click on the currency, then you will see all the available currency that you can change it to. So you can just choose the one that you wish to change it to. So once you're done with that, hit on save changes, and that's it. Boom, your language and currency has been changed. So that's pretty much it is. I hope this video is helpful. We'll see you in another video. Thank you.